Hunan AFEN Vending Machine Company Limited is a reputable high-tech enterprise specializing in intelligent self-service equipment, standing as a top one-stop vending machine solution provider in China. Endowed with proprietary cutting-edge technologies and full-scale independent manufacturing strength, we act as a reliable long-term partner for global self-service retail practitioners. Headquartered in Changsha, Hunan Province, we own complete self-operated production facilities, covering automated spraying lines, eco-friendly assembly lines, sheet metal processing lines, injection molding lines, and a fully equipped mold workshop. This integrated industrial setup guarantees stable mass production and strict full process quality control for every finished product. Powered by sustainable in-house R&D and pioneering self-developed core technologies, we craft customized self-service retail solutions to satisfy diverse, personalized demands of clients from all over the world. Our versatile vending machines are widely installed in schools, highway service stations, airports, railway hubs, shopping malls, and hospitals, capable of selling food, books, toys, pharmaceuticals, and family planning supplies. They support coins, banknotes, IC cards, Alipay, and QR codes with intelligent systems that seamlessly connect to all kinds of payment terminals to realize unified online and offline payment. The built-in remote management system enables multi-machine networking, real-time data analysis, and centralized remote equipment control. AFEN's vending machines have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions. We keep innovating with steady perseverance, aiming to build a distinguished professional brand and occupy a leading position in the global self-service retail industry.